Why is it that the people who hurt you the most are the ones your brain refuses to let go of? Why does your chest ache for someone who gave you so little in return? Why does walking away feel impossible, even when every part of you knows you should have left a long time ago? This isn't weakness. This isn't lack of self-respect. This is neuroscience. Your brain fighting to protect a bond it believes your survival depends on. To understand why you're drawn to the wrong people, we have to go back to the beginning, long before you ever fell for them. Your attachment style wasn't formed in adulthood. It was shaped when you were young, before you even had words for your feelings. Your brain learned what love felt like not from romance, but from survival. If love felt inconsistent, your nervous system learned to chase. If affection felt unpredictable, your brain wired itself to crave intensity. If care came mixed with fear, your body memorized chaos as if it were safety. This is the trap no one sees. Your brain isn't drawn to what's healthy. It's drawn to what's familiar. That is why the wrong people feel strangely magnetic. Your mind recognizes the pattern and mistakes it for home. But there is another piece, one that makes letting go feel almost impossible. Every time you connect with someone, your brain releases oxytocin. It's the bonding chemical, the one that tells your body, this person matters. But here's the twist. Oxytocin doesn't care whether a relationship is good for you. It bonds you even to the people who cause you pain. And when connection is inconsistent, when love comes in bursts, when affection arrives unpredictably, your brain releases even more dopamine. This is called intermittent reinforcement, the most powerful form of conditioning known in psychology. It keeps you hooked, waiting for the next hit, the next moment of closeness, the next tiny piece of affection that makes the entire cycle feel worth it. Inconsistent love isn't just emotionally confusing, it's biologically addictive. And that's why leaving hurts so much. It's not just a breakup, it's a chemical withdrawal. Your mind may know the truth, but your nervous system begs you to stay. Not because this person is right for you, but because your biology fears the loss of a bond it has already formed. And so you cling, not out of love, but out of survival. But here is the part that no one ever tells you. Your brain can be rewired. Your patterns are not permanent. Your attachment style is not your destiny. Healing begins the moment you stop asking, "What's wrong with me?" and start asking, "What happened to me that made this feel like love?" Because once you understand the pattern, you can finally break it. Your brain can learn safety, it can learn stability, it can learn what real connection feels like. Not the chase, not the anxiety, not the emotional roller coaster you've been taught to call passion. Real love feels calm, predictable, consistent, supportive. But calm can feel boring when chaos once felt like home. This is where the real work begins, teaching your body that peace isn't a threat. It's the life you've always deserved. And slowly, the wrong people lose their power, not because they changed, but because you did. Healing rewires your attraction. It teaches your nervous system to stop craving intensity and start recognizing safety. So if your heart keeps returning to someone who hurt you, remember this. You're not broken. You're bonded, and bonds can be undone. Your story doesn't end with another cycle of pain. It begins the moment you understand why you were trapped in the first place. And tonight, maybe for the first time, you finally do. This is Unveil, where the mind becomes clear and where your next chapter truly begins.